What's up, guys? You're riding with Tight White. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to DVDs, Nuts, and Popcorn. Welcome back to the chicken sandwich Gauntlet. You ever played Gauntlet in the arcade back in the 80s, early 90s? It had the multi-cabinet where you'd play like 5 different players at one time. Or was it 4? I can't remember. Anyway, I'm getting off track here. Hello, how you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good.
May I have a date?
It's Jeff.
Alright, what can I get for you, sir?
Let me get the... Sure, come now. Let's see. What's your... let me get the crispy chicken sandwich.
Just a sandwich or the wings?
Just a sandwich.
Okay.
And that's it.
Any sauces?
Does it come with anything on it?
It just comes with pickles.
So it doesn't come with any kind of mayonnaise or anything on it? Let me get... No, I'm good. I'm good. Nothing. I'm good.
No, okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 406 right around the corner, sir.
She fucking deaf or what? I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah, the chicken sandwich will be 406. Can I slam the card for me, sir? What's this, sir?
Thank you. It's a little early. I'm a little annoyed for some reason. So I've been noticing that rednecks, some of the rednecks out here that do some of these food reviews or mukbangs or whatever, get a ton of views on their videos. So I'm thinking about in the next video maybe wearing a wife beater, sipping on some natty ice, maybe smoking a cigarette, I don't know, beat my dog. What else do rednecks do? I can't think of anything else. Shout out to Trailer Trash Tammy, the queen. Shout out to her. All right, so today we're doing, I guess you can, I don't even know why I'm explaining. It's in the description, right? We're doing the versus battle between Chick-fil-A and Wendy's. And I kind of know who's going to win just by kind of watching other videos, which kind of sucks. Now, I put myself in a bad situation. I know the 2 people that watched my last video would say, if they're in front of me right now, they'd be like, you know, that was a cop-out. How are you going to give Churches and Popeyes the same damn score? And now I'm realizing in my head that I'm kind of screwing myself here. Or not kind of, I'm really screwing myself here, because if Chick-fil-A doesn't have a better chicken sandwich than Popeyes or Churches, then I'm going to have no clear-cut winner. Because there's really no other places to go that have great chicken sandwiches as far as fast food. I don't think KFC's is good enough to even try. Comment below, please, and let me know if I'm missing one. But yeah, I'm putting myself, not clear-cut winner, no winner at all.
I don't know if I should feel disrespected or not. Sir Jeff?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, appreciate it.
Okay, take care.
Have a good one.
You as well.
All right. And you know what? I just screwed up. I actually just screwed up. I meant to have them make this fresh to go, and I did not do that. So I'm assuming this is not freshly made. I don't know. I don't know how the chicken sandwich game works. I would assume, I mean, you saw how I did with Churches and Popeyes. I asked them to make, you know, I waited. Yeah, of course. It takes like at least 7 to 10 minutes. Oh, crap. Now I'm going the wrong way. All right, I'm going to pause this. We're heading over to Wendy's. All right, so we're at Wendy's. I'm gonna go ahead and, so back to the not asking them to cook it fresh for me. I'm wondering, so many people order the chicken sandwich there, they're probably just constantly making these things fresh, especially during lunch hour.
Okay, please.
Yeah, can I get the new classic chicken sandwich by itself?
Aye, of course. What else?
That's it.
Aye, 551. Thank you.
Thank you. 551. I'm trying to remember. Church's was 4. Wait a second. Was Church's? What the hell was Church's? 551. That sounds like a little. That sounds like a little bit too much. Yeah, it is. Look at this. Popeyes was 432 with tax, and so was Church's. I remember they're the same price. So this chicken sandwich is more than $1 more than Popeyes. Better be freaking good. Well,
Hi, 51.
hell. Oh, there it is. Thank you. All right, so I have some why can't I say the word? I have some what the hell? Observations? What is wrong with me? Can I get a mayonnaise, one mayonnaise, please? We'll talk about that in a second. Thank you, I appreciate it. So my observations, I have a few. We need to find a good place to park here. Would like to get a nice shady spot. Which is not going to be easy. Let's see if this will work right here. Oh shit, I hit that curb. What the? Now, you might not want to be there, guy. I don't know why this guy's parking right here in front of me. It makes no friggin' sense whatsoever. Here, hold on, Taylor. Go down a little bit. This spot's not gonna work. It's not shady enough. Hopefully for your guys' sake, I edit all this out. I mean, I can't find one spot that's shady. This is ridiculous. Oh shit! Wait, I thought that was just shady spot. You know, we're in Houston. It's sunny as hell outside. It's just not meant to be. It's really not. All right, let me pause this and then I'll find a shady spot, okay? All right, literally, it's like 15 minutes later. I can never find a shady spot. I finally found one that's like right in the middle of everything where people can watch me, but that's okay. Very secure individual. All right, so back to my observations, the word that I couldn't say. I got a major problem with this. Number one, okay, presentation. This is Wendy's. And then Chick-fil-A has the same thing going on as Church's and Popeyes. I don't know who started that, but it's the same exact thing, right? You know what, I should have kept track of, because it bothered me, the price being $5 something Of course, I didn't keep anything. Let me look at this real quick here. No, I didn't get a receipt from, anyway, $5.51 from Wendy's. I don't know. I didn't get a receipt from Chick-fil-A. I'm sure it's caught on video. I have a problem with that. I also have a problem with using my debit card, them making me swipe at Chick-fil-A. They do that. They've been doing that for a long time. I know it's a pandemic related, COVID related. I don't work for Chick-fil-A. I shouldn't have to do that. I pass you the card. You got gloves on. You do it yourself. Really bothers me. All right. Another thing that really bothers me about Chick-fil-A, how the hell does their chicken sandwich come with no mayonnaise? Nothing. It comes with nothing on it. So I'm supposed to be able to be some kind of condiment Chick-fil-A genius and figure out what to put on your chicken sandwich? It's your chicken sandwich. That's a major problem. And I will take that into consideration in this review. All right, I don't even know. I'm totally frustrated right now. All right, let's look at the Wendy's first. By the way, you're riding with Ty White. All right, so this is the Wendy's. Kind of fake feeling. I mean, I know it's not fake, but it just feels fake. Okay. We have a tomato on there. Now here's the deal, guys. Popeyes and Church's has 0 tomatoes. They don't skimp on the mayonnaise, as you can see. 0 tomatoes and 0 lettuce. And I think that's going to be the... No, I shouldn't say that. Chick-fil-A might be the same as this. So this does not feel... It kind of feels dry. They put nothing on that bun, which is interesting. Am I zoomed in too much? All right, chicken sandwich gauntlet, guys. All right, we're gonna go ahead and eat this one first. Actually, we should be doing Chick-fil-A because I ordered that last. It doesn't matter. Straight up pro with the camera. All right, here we go. You ever have to go somewhere and you get dressed and right before you leave the house you go look in the mirror and you realize that you don't match at all? Like nothing about you matches. Not one thing. I literally think I have 2, 3, I guess you could say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm wearing 8 different colors. I'm like a Crayola box. It's not as dry as I thought. It's a good chicken sandwich. There's not a lot of crisp to it. It's not very crispy, guys. I mean, I don't know if you can tell by just looking at it, but okay. Yeah. So it's a little on the dry side. It's not as juicy. Not nearly as juicy as Church's and Popeyes. Okay. See how that one looks. That looks more like Popeyes. Now, why am I thinking this would have lettuce and stuff on it? Am I thinking of, do I have to order the, well, I mean, this is, I asked for a crispy chicken sandwich. All right, let's take a closer look at this. It doesn't look like it has lettuce on it. Riding with tight white, by the way. Just in case I forgot to tell you that. All right, the bun looks like someone sat on it or some shit. Looks horrible. Looks like a old granny face. What the hell's going on with that? That's getting some points deducted just for that, just for the look of it. All right. Looks like it's part grilled and part fried. Does that make any sense? Piece of chicken is bigger than the whole friggin' chicken sandwich of Wendy's. Got 2 pickles off to the side. I don't like pickle location on this. Gonna have to change that right away. Yeah, that's better. And again, no friggin' condiment whatsoever on there, which drives me insane. But that's what we're dealing with, guys, okay? This video is going to be way longer than it should be. All right, so I got mayonnaise from Wendy's. I came prepared. I mean, I don't know why I have to do this, why I'm responsible for this, but I am. So we're going to take a bite without the mayonnaise. It got better. The taste got better. The taste started off like, oh shit, Popeyes is killing this thing. Church's is killing it. And then that kind of an aftertaste, post-taste, but still during type of taste, if that makes any sense. Secondary taste kind of kicked in. No mayonnaise. No, I mean, I don't know, put mustard on. Do something different. I don't know. You got to put something on it. With that pickle. That does taste good. It has a unique, Chick-fil-A just has a unique taste to its chicken. I don't know if it's the chicken batter they use. I don't know what the deal is, but God dang it. Holy crap. My hands are all greasy. Hold on a second here. It's like an indestructible. Holy crap. Why is this greasy? Ah! Oh shit. Oh, great. Knew that was going to happen. So, all right, put some of this on there. All right, let's try it with some mayonnaise. Again, I feel like I can't give it points on the mayonnaise because it doesn't come with mayonnaise. think some genius from Chick-fil-A corporate office is going to watch this video and be like, yeah, let's start putting mayonnaise on our chicken sandwiches. It just seems like it's such a obvious thought, you know? Yeah, what are you looking at? Yeah, I'm eating a chicken sandwich with my dog. Screw you. Their chicken tastes really freaking good. I would say they need one more pickle on this. They skimped on the pickles. They only give you 2, and they're small pickles. I'm pretty sure Church's and Popeyes did 3 pickles. And they had mayonnaise on their damn chicken sandwich. You're losing points for that. You're losing points for the ugly, granny-faced bun. I feel like my dog's staring through my soul right now. No, yeah. There you go. Decimal we're talking. We're talking about decimals here. We're not talking about whole points. Again, I leave myself with a conundrum because I can't have 2 winners of this gauntlet. Comment below if there's another chicken sandwich I'm missing. I heard the KFC one's not that good. So now I'm going to have to do a reboot of this series, and I'm going to have to eat the chicken sandwich at Popeyes and the one at Church's at the same freaking time like I'm doing here, which I should have done in the first place. But you get one piping hot. By the time you get over to the other place, it's not going to be hot anymore. So you got an advantage there. I don't know. This chicken sandwich is not bad either. Okay. A few more bites, guys. You're riding with Tight White, by the way. The lettuce tastes real fresh on the Wendy's chicken sandwich. I think this is called the new classic chicken sandwich. I think that, and there's probably a way to order at Chick-fil-A that I'm just not a Chick-fil-A guy. I don't really know, but I'm sure there's a way to order it where you can get the tomato and the lettuce on it. That would push this chicken sandwich to a whole nother level, I would assume. I'm going 3.9 on the Chick-fil-A. And I'm going 3.7. Wait, hold on a second. $3.6 on the Wendy's. 3.9 Chick-fil-A. 3.6 Wendy's. That's it. That's the review. That's the versus battle. That's the gauntlet, which I totally screwed myself. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to have to go over there and do the Popeyes Church's side by side and try to figure out which one's the winner of this gauntlet. Again, comment below if I'm missing a fast food chicken sandwich. Feed Taylor some more. God, you have to eat my whole hand? Comment below if you want me to wear a wife beater, smoking a cigarette, sipping on natty ice. I'm not going to beat my dog, but maybe I'll fight my dog in the parking lot against another dog if I see a dog. Do some Michael Vick action. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Yada, 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 yada. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. And peace out! Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.